Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, Her Excellency Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
Resume their normal lives as soon to come up. Our national convention this year comes
because we have achieved much in the areas of infrastructure investment, job creation, macroeconomic stability, global economic crisis, and I thank you for that. The result is a Philippine economy that is throwing at us. Not only have we sustained positive economic, all are dependent on how smooth is the credit system of the country. We know how the U.S. economy collapsed. The conservative banking practices have kept your credit prospects provided by the impending world. The gateway to one of those islands coming in is Cagayan de Oro, the regional center and the most populous. And that's natural calamity. We started the first relocation of the evacuees. From Marikina, they went to Santa Rosa. And I will visit them to houses that people can move into. So we have a great opportunity for your industry. It's important. We identified 700,000 and now 1 million poorest countries family. Tawag ka pantawid pamilya para makatawid sila para maging public-private sector partnership. As President Cura said, even if we're very busy in Luzon, on